In today's tech tip, we're going to discuss setting up a seating die without using the crimp feature. I'd like to note that all Hornady seating dies, whether it's the custom grade new dimension set like we're using here today, or an American series, will all allow the end user the ability to set up with or without a crimp. The way we're going to do it today is on a 223 Remington, and these steps can be used for any other caliber using a standard seating die. Before we get started setting up this seating die without using the crimp feature, I want to note that this seating die has already been properly degreased, which is very important to do with all reloading dies. Now to get started, we're going to first take our lock and load bushing and install it into the press. This is a properly prepared 223 Remington case. We'll simply slide it into the shell holder and run it to the top of the stroke. You'll now take your seating die and you will thread it in on top of that empty case. It's important to use a light two-finger approach, and you'll simply thread it into the press until resistance is felt. And the resistance is the crimp ring inside that alignment collar starting to contact the case mouth. So we'll simply back that off approximately a half to a full revolution, and we will secure the lock ring. These steps are perfectly applicable when using our American series of rifle dies. So with that lock ring set, we are ready to establish the bullet seating depth. The bullet that we'll be using today is the 60 grain VMAX bullet. The seating depth for this is 2.250 inches. So we'll simply run that assembly into the die. You'll feel it started to seat slightly. Lift your handle, and I can see we've got quite a ways to go to get to that cantilever. So we'll simply lower the bullet seat adjustment screw in small increments, cycling the press. And as we approach that cantilever, we'll know we're getting close to our desired seating depth. We're getting close, so let's take a measurement here. I can see we're a little bit far off. We're coming in about 100 thou long, so we'll get this adjusted down. That's looking pretty good there. We're at 2.267, just a hair long, so let's get that adjusted. That looks great. 2.252, perfect for what we're doing. At that point, you secure the lock ring, and that die is properly set.